Hi, all I go by the name of that dog, aka Real Boss. Yeah, that's the new PTS boy, Ekapa and Xe. And I'm not alone, man.
Hello Halloween, it's your boy Ingosana, the goating Ashalipland, the masterpiece with the master plan.
What's up, guys? Buddha Taflex, the one and only Tavata, and I'm with.
Yo, it's your boy Pelotzi Vega, aka Marel. I'm here to Scarel.
Cool, let me not introduce him, but this was there because now I've given a chance, yeah, bo. And then yeah, and I'm with Amachita, yeah, bo. And Alpha, yeah, I'd like quickly to introduce you, bo. Later documentary, bo. And I'd like firstly to welcome you, but yeah, welcome, yeah. Please make sure about Kesho Nebuket and make sure like bo and is a subscribe and is a taper in. You're gonna share, I'll give you otherwise because. Lapha sizothetha man more about la back off besenzeke nge-29 behosted nguPrince Sotashe, and also we met the likes of Sai Beats, Zolani Chama, Usia, imanager ka Cairo yabo, and etc. nabanye because abanye kasikwazi like uba Lewiza uba capturisha yabo. So yeah, the one is John. Yabo. But yeah, man, from your side, what you want to say in J? Firstly,
I'm no like, yeah, we to viral, but then ish disappointed in my case. Is a kasi double check about no yaspano can use it.
Okay.
Villain like manje whereby it sounds as means it can't squash hard about because I was doing content whereby Apple the Tumakona Majita, but no man. Retanga kwa baba ya kafraften mandombin as rate then the busy ndombi. Ayekuyo ayiraise phone number whereby I did londo yabo enye ndenzileyo leyo riska nge400 la riska nge400 yam ndithi no so buza abantu 3 questions if uyichanile 3 questions umkanayo 400 whereby ndiphinda buya nayo 500 yam akho ndichanileyo yabo whereby la. Yeah, that's all I can say. It was dope.
Yeah, actually it was dope. It means we yabo. And so of course, this is also the end. Yeah, shout out to people who showed the love, man. Because abantu like Bonnie, there were people like Abazle, like Bonnie show that showed love, and I'm not sure, okay, but the cameraman knows what okay, don't and definitely I just hope as the corners and clips for those like who showed love, those who hug, those yabo, yeah, man, and I can't.
And those who Bazileyo kwenzi nansi video zethu sithi danko makwande.
Yeah. And I can't tell you, Bonnie. Jama senza the way like eza hugs neza ndondoni like sidibana nabantu bone
he smiles
yonke la way because ngobe senza la way prepared but not like yeah, but bone bese prepared and then like bone post bana abantu bone like abanye abantu bone andiyazi manje nizazibonela but yeah man, shout out banu disimshaya. Oh, shout out to Scarella, yeah, Scarella Marella. But yeah, my nigga's gonna introduce himself and also shout out to cameraman. And if you cameraman shy Spanish brand, so that's better one run some the outfit.
Yo.
Shout out.
Yeah, guys, gonna talk about the last weekend. Yesipai Terminus, Makasana, and this vlog Jobe umnandi yabo sizothetha ngaloo nto ke apha ne. I hope ningazokwazi subscribe like video yethu nakanjani.
Make sure na comment and to na share. So yeah, we about to sitting ngaliwi pack off live show. Yeah, it was hosted by Prince Ngozana ne.
Yeah, Prince Ngozana.
The
Prince.
The Prince.
It was hosted by the Prince and we were there too.
The Prince.
The Prince.
Type shit.
Yeah. Type shit.
Let's roll.
The Prince and we were there for support. I put Yasikasi Yabona for in the local brand and industry music. Yeah, so yeah. Izobona vlog yethu but in the speed le yeah the sound is better phange vlog guys saqolo ngazi man, sorry.
Sure. Yeah, otherwise I was the part of the video, so I was in there around them. So I met that doll at the terminus, you know. I met the Flex, I met Nkosana, so we were there, you know, shooting like it was a vibe, like everything was cool, was fun, you know. We enjoy ourselves and do bro, like
Yakumnani.
Like
shout out to Kasi shout out to Makaza
otherwise
umntu bepha bulela
Bro,
ngesupport.
like, let me tell you that, bro, like, girls, yo, we're there, man. So, I love them, like, bro, it's really beautiful. Oh my God, why you tell me?
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
Shit.
Shout out to the
So the likes of Ilanda, like big people in the industry that you know.
bro. I saw
Likes
shit.
for Tashela, 4 days.
Bro,
Yes,
yes,
yes. And for also Mr. Lou, Jaka Cairo CPT. Yeah.
The Prince. and
Oh shit, the Prince. The main manager. Yeah, main manager event musi yangu hostel away pa. Yeah. The Prince tayam. Sabulela tayam into yenze le kasi tayam. Siyafunda kuwe tayam.
Make sure you're watching this video, man.
Yeah.
Make sure you're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Like Scott, like, how does it feel back so to be the manager Cairo?
I think for me, so Tina, as the achievement when you know, but through part of it like plans zam, ngathi iwe enkulu, because you know why?
Why?
Because back in 2022, like ngobe ngisangqonqa ngisenza umculo, I DM'd uLeweza uBra yabo asking for a feature yabo, and then wathi kumbakhe ngisho manithumele ingoma zami, and then I sent him I think 3 songs of mine yabo. Then ke ngoko namthumela nyana, then he told me that okay, shofela study sakho sifana nesikadlala inamba of which like we are shy, but please focus more escale, and then maybe when you're doing grade 12 yabo, then come back to me at least singazama uthi, and then please le minyaka like le period ye 4 years zama at least usebenza phezulu kwegama lakho, so xa ubuya at least ube like ube ne recognition, like ube ne fans yabo, abantu abakufollowisha at least xa unabantu abanjalo, so that ungakhupha umculo nje urelax yabo. And then nyani after 4 years keep back off yenzeka uba ndidibane naye, but then ke ngoku things changed to an extent that andisalewezi ke ngoku, like andisanqonqa ndisathini yabo. And then the funny thing was that I was with uTaflex yabo, I was with uNkosana, and I was with you yabo, no Yobzit lo ngekhoyo yabo. He called me and then he was like Leah yabo, and then saphambana like we went, and we went crazy about like hayibo uyalazi igama like manager kind of, so like Mr. Talo wakhe Mr. Lou yabo. So to me it was something else, man yabo, because the past few days, you know, man, umuntu follow on IG, on TikTok, on Facebook knows that okay, sure besi kwa zakhe yabo. So for me it's something else, man. I don't wanna lie yabo, yeah, and I'm happy all the way yabo, yeah, type shit.
Okay, Nkosana siza kuwe mejog yabo. So what was your main point ba when bepha? Like indoni ozifeeling ngathi ungayenza like when maybe mathongo hoster ephane indoni bokhalo uyenza wena like as a hoster?
Into benginoyenza as a hoster.
Yeah.
Bona mna. Ya bezokwenza la way the same thing ne. Like defend imoto nancanye imoto. Yabo iwese imoto izidope. Yabo but then benza enter
Moto of it.
ya na imoto.
Silver stick.
Akho need to bana scoop.
That's why ngakhupha se rent.
So eza vlog uthetha kuzo namamethi ke ngoku sizasifumana njani ke?
You see,
Yeah.
eza nantsika those nantsikas yabo, like singazi poster through nantsika uTikTok, unicebisela umjede abama nibethi nantsika YouTube channel. So yeah, ndizaziposta na ku YouTube channel whereby yabona since bendisendixelela imistake yenzeke iqala by mic yawucima and khazi recognize londo. Ikhona ivideo sendi editing but izoba intro before ivideos zami yabo, ndisezozenza ezi videos yabo, zikhona ezininzi ezayo yabo, ndisezobuza babani
So
imibuzo.
na channel pa ku YouTube yenza abantu bakwazi ukufumana.
Ya sendikhona endenzileyo, search Nkosana uzayibona.
Search Nkosana, join guys, please search
TikTok Nkosana still. Nkosana Facebook Lihle Mzimkhulu.
Lenzaba iprank abantu lenzaba.
Okay, into endenzayo benantsika
Itifile.
What the
andibhale obituary. Ndibhale obituary neposter. And wonke umuntu maybe hundreds of people begcwele inbox yamba hayibo Hayi ufethu ithi yadlala kungona nizovela namhlanje bandivanga.
Like the serious, but we can.
April Fools lo izo.
Yeah.
Ibi April bendenza
Yeah,
ukuba nje ubhayisa abantu.
Just to welcome people into
Yeah.
April. Yeah, but so yeah, we can head back to the questions.
Okay, yeah, bengisasho ke ta la webuyibuza ba kuse benzokwenza ntoni if bebindim host yapha. Ehanda zithanda imoto. Ndathanda amantombi. Andizuxoka. Ndimntu othanda amantombi. Yabo so benzawabiza namantombi no khanise napha khona imidlalo. Yabo so benza namantombi ta.
Abel umchat.
Right. But then the baby you understand the band awuthanda amantombi.
Oh,
Yeah, it's beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, we can ask.
yeah. Second question for you, because
Okay, yeah.
yeah, like what was going through on your mind, like since like challenge for mibuzo, like umuntu oyicanile imibuzo yonke like 400 like.
Okay, yini riske ngemali pha. Okay, ndikhuphe kakuhle 400 yam ndathi no. If bayayifuna le mali 3 questions ngqa. Because yabo la mibuzo andiyazi kwami ngafuna uxoxa. Phofu ezinye ndiyazi. Uyi-1 umbuzo engakwazi uphendula pha. Webhayi bendiyazi ezinye imibuzo like milula.
Okay.
Yabo but then lo uyi-1 bendiyazi. It's chai dog. It's chai.
Ithile imibuzo.
Owokuqala bendibuza bazengaphi country South Africa. Ndayazi azikho moso ngabe ngatsho iLesotho but then Lesotho like cha
Yeah, was it and like back like blue pass. Because buzo. Before the entire sorry. Yeah, before the entire thing, we asked him a question about okay, Mamela bro. Zingaphi countries now?
South Africa.
South Africa was like Lesotho. He said 9 first, yeah, and I was like, yeah, mention 1. I was like, Lesotho. Confidential. Lesotho. Aibu. Jani, because Lesotho is just a regional country, neighborhood country.
Yeah,
bro. But yeah, man, we can head back to the question.
Okay, yeah. Yabo so akho mntu uchanileyo lwambuzo. Even abantu baninzi bathe 12. Omnye wathi 68. I'll be like,
Phila.
waqale wathi ilanguage zethu zingaphi 54 most dithi was 54 i-countries zingaphi. Wathi ayicace 55 I'll be like damn. No, it's fine. Owesibini ndiyabuza zingaphi i-cents kwi-rand. Nothi i-10 cents, i-cents ezenza irand zingaphi. Hayi bathi 10.
100 yabo. Utazeri khona.
100.
100. Look at you.
10 cents like
I-cents kwi-rand.
Wabo yini?
10 cents is 10. Oh damn.
I-cents kwi-rand. Yabo nalo mbuzo baqhwabile abantu bathi 100. Hayi phofu ukhange akekho uthi 100 10. Omnye wathi 1000. Yabo xabane chomi yakhe 10,000 like okay masuyeke ne is fine. That can translate le question. Sayithetha isiXhosa nibuze ngeEnglish. uMandela wayepresident esingaphi.
Hayi betha mnonke ke ya.
Yabo wena nami yangqwaba ke lo alikwazi translate. Because yabo la beniriska ngeza zithu because bendazi no akekho ozochana lo.
Yabo yeah type.
Yeah, so ndariska ngalo 400 ndaphinda ndabuya nayo still nansi sekhona ngo.
Don't show us akuleqa bendleleni.
Isekhona ngo 500 so le 400 tons uyitya ye content. Yabo. Yeah, so into ebendenza pha enye into ebendenza kubuza amajita ba say my guy rate yourself out of 10 amantombini. Yo khona itsotsi ethe yathi 9 ndathi day masibiza intombi xa sibiza amantombi uyawoyika yo uyaqhuma xa sibiza amantombi uyawoyika uthi yo amhle kakhulu lo ndithi my guy u10 9 nje urate 9 out of 10 amhle kakhulu
Yeah, skills what
but then uyawoyika amantombi xa ndabiza yabo but then ndabiza omnye umntana yabo so la mntana kuthiwa lifele kum andiyazi andimazi ndiyazi kuthiwa kumntu abelafele ndithi it's fine magama masambe uthiwa uyawika amantombi amahle mos okay wayifumana nabo umjika but then yeah into bendenza ngaleyo qha pha
type shit.
yeah type shit
Yeah. Ah. Okay, let me try to rephrase. Ne. What was the other thing? Okay, so I think Uta left something up. Yeah,
okay.
I think he left something about an artist.
Yeah, I met the artist pha yabo khona I don't remember kahle igama la mjika likhumishe kakhulu man B99 ine something like that likhumishe kakhulu igama lo mjita and
Yeah,
Angqo-
athi why. I'm not sure.
angqondi ngaloo nto ya ayisosintu ya khe kosesintweni sethu, so that's why ndilibala igama lakhe. Wanika inantsika i-freestyle yakhe and it was dope. Yabo umzita uthi uyitrapper uyisinga ya bethi R&B ne trap nebhayiboni zayo ziyagumsha ya wepha umixa English yakhe ne-Nigeria yabo ya lento nditsho uba yi-foreign yabo, so he gave me inumber yakhe ba no ya like sisebenzisane wepha ikwi-Nigeria lasemfuleni mane elifuna i-feature nam, but it's fine yabo. Okay, so ya artist endimetheleyo leya neyiphenye na. Okay, kwaperforma noTamsayi for iqondi 4 days and it was lit, begcwele amantombi webhandi buyena inamba ezi-16.
It was performed. It was like ibidlalwa nguwo
Young Benzani.
no, not younger, support bathi
Ya but then umntu ephefumeleyo ngumntu ayishela
ya umshela
ya ndamantombi abendithanda ke phaa ndijonga phana ngabe ngumfana xa ndiyamayiza yabo. So but then ndibuye nenamba ezi-16 ya, but then andizitextanga zonke nomfazi nditshatile, so nawe ungandifuni.
yeah. Okay, cool, man. I think the next thing after the entire thing ba dibane nalomchita wase ngapha kwecingo was that sisuke kumchita, and then I think we were passing by basibuyela kwela cala like kudlalela kulo ku-DJ because ibili ixesha lika Prince yabo. So kasigqitha pha there was amanye ama-sister avaya nge the voice Vagen Khan kwasoke ngezi-version inolawe ivivo ya zimiti ezi-3
le
I think
dictative
ya la way I think we 2026-27 yabo. So now we're passing by ba siyagqitha sikhangela abantu ngoba amazed ba hayibo
content
abantwana baphethe imic no qadona nalebe abantwana, but it's fine. Yeah, but yabo since izimete ezivaya zodwa, then we decided ba okay sure man sizojika sibuyele pha yabo, and then sasa interview yabo, and they were interested ba like okay no and then I told them, and then I also asked questions ba like okay sure nizothina pha, are you having fun, kumnandi no bancokola, so ibilo way man.
and you met igongo
And I met Igongo, which was you own a Gongo there.
Yeah,
we own because he was saying about une taxi sakhiz wathwathi wara yonke la.
enza idope itex yakho umzita damn usibonisile wasikhombisa uba nansi nale enza idope.
Yeah, and definitely for sure zizovela. So yeah, we met baninzi man abantu to an extent that I'm still trying to think, but I'm trying to tell you again because it's a naked. And also yeah, call it that. And also met if you fan yesi online records, you will know lo mntu uMalikhanye. I think oyi composer kula ngoma le ithi I Want the Night yenziwa nguNwiser yabo uMalikhanye. So uMalikhanye was I think bevaya ngenye taxi malambano red ya bebe jive pha, and then she was curious ba kabathina baba interview in like abasha interview yabo. And I was like, I want to interview, and then she was like, yeah. And also we with Uleweza with Taflex. So Taflex I say ring because he was the one the best head, like he was the one the best covers number, yeah, bo. And also
after Taflex wa harasa mna lamnan
mandomazana. Yo ayezinye, but yeah man satibana. And I also met Uleweza uMalungelo.
Yo
Malungelo
the inam
yeah look inam yabo. I met Malungelo, I asked Malungelo fondini nabo inam ngoku aliqela yabo. So I met Malungelo, and I met namanye amantombazana, not like amantombazana ba nah man uncoglory amantombazana that would do follow me yabo, and then we take pictures
and they be like you real boss Leah Leah what the fuck.
Yeah, when sathathi videos sathathi photos zonke zawe yabo abanye abantu bedrang nobadrang and bekumandi man yabo.
Yeah, it was fun.
But ayiso siphelo
Ubuyena namazing ngapi?
andibuyanga number.
Why?
Because I respect my even though
umbi
uyiwani umntu wamta and iqale izolo.
uqala izolo but then Okay, no,
intsha yabo. But yeah man, can't be in a number on a serious note ngilahlisa umfethu.
ananda dla khambile na number
So something like that. But
The future.
the future was not there.
Was there?
kutana nsika
What's that?
matamsijwa bepha.
Okay.
Okay.
That interview people around the.
Remember?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Better
are
than Mike
excuse
Ngulu.
them.
amike nkulu
The camera.
ni camera nkulu
Bepa.
Braz. Nyamazu just fashion. Nyamazu just fashion. Lo yakusho studio cams ka Mr Taylor.
Cameraman.
Bra, it was not the future.
Bekhona naye brand mbonile.
Bra, ebengekho the future.
Special ebephaya emva ko DJ.
Eh.
Ufuture ebengapha yacho yeke lapho yabo lapho limnyama.
Yeah.
Lebime pha.
Yeah.
Bephaka kulamajita. Wahamba interview abantu ngapha waqala kulela ithiwa kuyo. Benza pha.
Hayi. Kanibona. So yeah, mina kanifuna uthetha yonke into le. Still
oh we met utamsijo tamsiyana umsijo ngabo mthemba show ubra yabo simethe naye koneni bebhayi besifuna uharasa abanye abantwana yaphubinga
ubufuna uharasa abanye abantwana.
amajita befuna uharasa abanye abantwana so bantatha ba no man ekusengosana nje yami yazibo umhle utriphile so masiya kwabantwana like damn though yika amantombi bras
Usi out.
kuthi out ewe
How do you feel ngalo wewe?
bala tsotsi iyabhekele
Because uthetha ngepower ngeprogress like ba umhle no enough for ni.
so yeah sithe xa siya kwabantwana sadibana notamsijo so umjita bamani yabo tamsiyana siya abe like okay shabo tamsijo ngidakudala athi uzokusezwa ngifaka open mic kwaminki so
Oh, hey yazi ngqondo nami ngathi uthenga ngotamsai.
tamsijo
Tamsijo.
ya tamsiyana yabo ya so abeqhokile ku Brian mazi ngeHeineken bephethe Heineken yakhe and wanthuma emantombini ba sibayikaka yomntu wena yakwabantwana like dana uyika amantombi and diapheli 3 hours kwesime phasi ngade siye kwabantwana till sakhapha amajita sephenda sabuya xa fika uhayi isichayi sebethathiwe siqoma noma sigoduke nje yami
Week.
I respect umuntu wami
Yeah, and also. Yabo. So yeah, mina ngifuna uthetha yonke into le enokubona.
message kaBaby kanjani efonini
Sisebenza ngoku.
Okay, no.
Yabo. And also yeah man, uTaflex no AV bazolibiza. They'll get in more like bona bazongena into detail bakwenzeke ntoni. Yabo, because nabo they have their own thing to explain. Yabo. And I met uAV pha because bengale benxele ngonxela yazi. Bongathi bingumuntu amane usela phinda buye. Ngoba ayithetha nami kunyuka ivoice ne-energy. Ngimbona uba eyalo umuntu uconnect lapha. Bengangibeli but it's fine collab. So he will diverse in ba okay, noni bebe bisenzeke more and more. Otherwise yeah.
dango
So tell me, what was happening pa? Go like ubudibana la CC lo, I think she was wearing a blue dress before meeting up with the manager Kai.
Sister like born enjoying a smile yabo la I'm okay. She is trusted, okay, and getting higher.
Damn.
I'm in love. Yeah.
Yeah, she was interested. Okay, holding higher, but we are not getting my choice. I'm okay, I'm feeling about we are.
Yeah.
I'm born Flex, I'm born in cars, I was cars, born time, a little pie, I'm born.
Damn.
Okay, tell me, what is about you like? I was born about the Sish Baba, and also know about the Bozo support, as long as I'm okay, man. Yavuya manje ukubona indlela onabe ngayo man campaign nje hack okay wangiba ngihack
Damn.
Type shit. So okay cool. So then ke ngoku kuyo yonke lo bra like how did you feel like ubone ubamisanda like manager ka Cairo? How did you feel like interview like Mr. Lu like yabo what was happening kuwe ngalamzuzu?
I was like say Mr. Lulo amjonge bingasi like athula izaza that time umjongile
Ingathi kana ngo AI.
hey mama like man nguye lo bra man the first time uqala ukwambona mina aqala umbona pha esinako ngo Cairo wayepha
Okay.
ngiqana mbona pha moskala mina ndamshaya nje ngeqhuti yabo
Gugu.
that time kayo ngonibonayo like yo
Hey Maggie. Yeah.
Mangizo kosana apha.
Sicela incingane imhaganga bra
Abo.
like
You hug ubra.
umhagile
You
he was about to hamba wamtsala
Damn.
type shit.
Love.
Yeah, we can say so. So tell me more, AV like
When
Bro,
like
AV,
Pillow T.
Yes.
Oh, Kalo AV. You know, wonkumbi like as a content creator or as an artist, yabo. You need like Kamala Kumba. Okay, when I'm ngumzekelo like ngibe skinny jean okanye ngibe breaking fluid. Yabo.
Okay.
Now I'm like motivated uqala ngalo nqondo. So now when the time goes by, I start to see about man, I need to break fluid. Things do not make sense. Let me change. Let me elevate to the next like concept. Yabo. So can't see the AV. Man, it's like AV was rapping. Yabo. So can you know Pirelli Vega pushes Karen, of which that's another thing. But it doesn't make Legos and Sam. Yabo.
To be
Dope intro. So Pirelli Vega is Karen was pushing a crane, bro.
Yeah, bro, so pushing a train, like, yeah, I feel like everything is going on.
You're able to do the pants. Humble.
Ora.
Ora famine.
Praising me.
Okay. Yeah, cool. So this is a pass room for the.
Najur.
Yeah, bro. Come
Yeah,
you can talk.
okay, yeah, I feel like this back season chill, okay. Scarella is going up, bro. Like, I'm still trending, I'm still like in the round, like one Sakupuka, but yeah, man, straight. So, about the boy pack off, and I met you, bro. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't expect you, but basically I tell you, but I was a fake because the second born. So
And the pitch late.
yeah, I feel it. So yeah, I saw you, bro, and I was like, I'm on the flex, the mother flex. Yeah, bro, and I'm on the flex again. I'm salute. I saw the boy in Kosana. But yeah, man,
So it was the first time to understand.
first time.
Okay, so you met. So you met celeb.
Celeb, yeah, and can you see okay? Kosana, yeah, man.
Okay, but yeah, talk on. Mention one song of him.
Bro, don't pay like
Clips, as a clip.
That's it.
like in the mouse box, you told like ingoma like dive kulanduza.
Yeah, cela ubuze nevani yale ya.
Yabo ne plaque.
Asukama sabangibone wami.
Yeah.
So
You know, yabo my favorite song of him. Noma helele. Yabo le ngoma. I believe, bro. That ngoma, it will be big only if we were able to market the song. But as collab, we can continue with what
Yeah,
I
man.
was asking.
yeah, I was crazy. You on the view too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Like,
So you like abone mandombi phakanye chatini.
bro, like
I
I
just
saw them
did it.
girls and everyone, but when really like, about, I was doing interview, but I wanna run. So I was doing my own content. So yeah, I was
How
doing.
been a chance yawo?
Can't be a chance about asking numbers. Nah, bro, I'm not like that. So I have a wife, man.
Ithini unase content yango wena like busy ndoni wena?
Because you know, like I'm doing a lot of things like
Yeah.
vlogs, like those lonely reactions, like all of the
Hey, I
like,
met any vlog apha ndibele igama layo.
so bro, like say if we are phone like you wanna like go and fix something, we like yo, nah. Bro,
Nah. This one
make sure like everyone go on YouTube, so
Yeah,
LT Veka, yeah, I'm there, yo. Make sure you subscribe.
you are inspiration.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe,
Inspire me.
sub there, you know.
Types.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And the neighbor plus you can cut it.
Shile funa ubuze ke mina ngibakuse. Bingibani like umuntu kuse benimlindele pha bakhe makazi. Ngiyabona ubuze le question ngami.
Yabona mna. I won't lie my guy like benifuna like ingosi bepha. Ugafe bepha.
Ngosi like wena ngosi kanye.
Okay, ingosi yamandebele ndingosana. Yabo ugafe bepha. Yabo ubase. Ya no the basic one balone or. Ya bepha. Ya notashon. Ya benifuna like ya ben expected ama khutman. Yabo ba no abangapha iplaza. But then khange zilende instead of kulende notamsijo ben expectile bangapha walenda ke yena. Yabo so yeah therefore ndiyakhalela kanjena uyobona nansi i-performance kangosi eFrand yabo but enoxhomekeka ba ucash wami ungakanani yabo so yeah ndifuna uzakhe tazakhe.
Yeah, I think from my side now, I only expected 3 people. Yabo, and then very one. It was Zolani Jama. Zolani was there. It was Q Michelson, Ukayone. Yeah, because yeah.
The guy, okay. Shout
big
out.
time. And the third person has to be Efa being because
okay.
you know why in the future? It's because of Uleweza what's this thing? Uleweza.
Spread the leftover business, you know what they say when they get to the big head. Back then they would call me a lame ass, now they didn't get and point out the biggest. But since we now friends with the taters. Kenny to your kick, touches a move, white susu ya glitch, like came up with 80s, the swipe on the meat. Now I accept man sting is stored. I got a call like give me phone, couple of hands, standing ghosts, couple of niggas, nang the sauce. It's too easy. But back in the days, we had emotion. Then figures out, take a map in. Nowadays, OGs, they're